Suppose you want to convert a data frame to a list. How can you do that? In this case, we want to convert a data frame comprising of name, height and weight to a list that contains the same information. The row data for John will become a list element as shown. Likewise, Mary and Peter's data will become list elements accordingly. To do this, we will use the split function. In this example, there are two arguments. The first argument is the data frame or DF in this case. The second argument defines how you want to name the components of the list. In this case, we want to name them in terms of what is in the name column. The use of name as the second argument will allow us to name the components of the list as John, Mary, and Peter. Let's look at a full example of how this function can be used. We start by creating the data frame for this example. It will contain details about name, height and weight for the three cases. Once we have the data frame, we will put in the two arguments in the split function. We will call our new list, MyList. The first argument is df, or the data frame. And since we want the list components to be identified by the name column, we type the word name as the second argument. This allows the list component to be named by what are in the name column. That is, John, Mary, and Peter. This is how you can convert a data frame to a list with the name of the list component specified. Now, let's try a new challenge to fortify your understanding. The challenge is to create a list from this DF using country as the name of the list element. Remember, you just learned that you can use the split function to achieve this. Take a few moments to think how you can create a new list which uses country as the name of the list element using the split function. The solution is shown at the end of this video.